and today I am back with another Carebear haul. This one is a little bit different. This is some Carebear pool supplies. Now I've already showed you two of what I've got. Well, not really pool supplies, just water activities for summer, I guess. But no, I didn't show you that one. I already showed you two because I didn't expect to get everything. I showed you this, the baby splash pad. Really like that. I plan on, I don't have any kids right now, nor is my brother this little anymore. So I was thinking maybe blowing it up for our ducks to play in. I know, sounds crazy, but at least it'll get used. They love the water, and that's got about, you know, this much water in it, because it's meant for a baby, so the ducks, you know, won't get lost since they're still little. This one is a grumpy swimming pool. But yeah, if you have watched my other videos, you have already seen these, because I did not expect to get every single thing. But there's the little swimming pool. Now these, the two new things, which I'm super excited about. I didn't think I'd be getting these, but I went to another Walmart and accidentally found these. I had already gave up looking. I didn't even care anymore, but here it is. Here is Wish Bear, the sprinkler. Oh, I'm so excited to put this up. I tried to talk my mom into putting it down in her garden. But I love this one. And I saved my favorite one for last. And if you have seen these before, you know exactly which one I am waiting for. I know this is a really small video. I'm sorry. I was very excited. But hopefully I can add some clips of us using these things into this video. I don't know. We'll see. I still have no idea what I'm going to do with the swimming pool. I probably have some people I can give it away to. I don't know if I'm going to be opening all of them, but I know I'm definitely going to be opening this slip and slide. We'll be lucky if I don't set it up today. I know everything's meant for kids, but if it's Carebear, how can you expect me not to use it? I am super excited for this. Now, they have Carebear Justice swimsuits. They're meant for little girls, but the biggest size they got does fit me for kids. So, I'm tempted to get one just for this occasion, you know? But comment down below if you think I should. But yeah, I absolutely love this. I can't wait to put this on. Comment down below also if you have found any of these at your local Walmart, because these are freaking awesome. But yeah, sorry for the really short video. If I do end up using any of these before I post this, I will put the clips at the end of the video with some music.
Audio on the dog.
Hello guys. We're gonna put out the Carebear slip and slide. But he took it out of the box.
Yes,
But this is the slip and slide.
I'm an idiot.
We're going to set it up and then show you guys. We got it set up. It took us forever because we didn't know what we were doing and we didn't read the directions. What do you mean Facebook button?
Move this down there, so it's the front.
Oh, it's okay.
Or the back one.
But
Is it the front or the back?
I'm going to get a few shots of us running down there. Sliding down it.
We're going to break our necks. Hi, hello, boo. So this is Boo. He came to visit. Say hello.
That's my baby.
Say hello.
Put him up in the camera. Poor cat.
Yeah.
Oh, come here, baby. What's he doing to you? Yeah, so here's a few shots of us sliding down it. Alright. You're recording? Yeah, it's for YouTube. Oh my gosh.
Never doubt me.
Oh my gosh.
Suck it up, it's all right.
Right off the end of it.
Yeah. No, not yet.
Hey guys,
Waiting for the water to go.
oh, so I got the slip and slide out.
I'm going next. I'm waiting for the
We
water.
ripped the end off of it over
You wanna see
here.
it?
That we couldn't get it to stand straight. And then we were sliding so far we had to add a tarp down to the end of it. Not very practical, just get you some plastic. Some plastic and dish soap. Yeah, look at it. Literally ripped apart.
Unlock the magic. We tore the magic apart.
Hey guys, this is both for the vlog and there's going to be a few clips in my Carebear, what is this, water activities I guess? Yeah, so we bought a Carebear kiddie pool and we are going to blow it up and we are going to wash the dog in it. We don't have any little kids that use it and I couldn't find anybody that would need it or use it, so we're going to wash the dog in it. And that'll be good because we live in a camper, so tiny bathroom. It's hard to wash a dog.
Hard to wash us.
Yeah, it's hard to wash us. So it would just be easier to, in the summertime, just bring the kiddie pool out here and wash her in it. So I'm going to set you guys up for my Carebear activity video so you guys can see this. And for the vlog, I'll come back and I'll show you guys a little bit. But yeah. Here's the Carebear pool. I've been tempted to put it in our actual big pool and use it as a float. Yeah, but we're going to fill this up with water and wash the dog. If not, thanks for watching. Have an amazing day.